Customers hate waiting. In retail, every extra tap makes the checkout line longer. That's why we've redesigned Shopify POS to be faster than ever. First, we rebuilt global search. Finding products and customers is now instantaneous. Just tap, type, or scan, and the results are right there. Next, for power users, we added deep keyboard shortcut integration. Navigate your entire point of sale, jump between views, and fly through checkout without ever touching the screen. Wi-Fi goes down? You don't. Our new offline mode helps you keep processing cash and card transactions without skipping a beat. Your line keeps moving. We also overhauled the smart grid. You can now deeply customize your layout, pin your most used actions, and drag and drop tiles to build a workflow that fits your exact store. But the biggest upgrade is the checkout flow itself. We moved everything to the right. Your cart stays permanently visible, and all primary actions, like adding discounts or changing delivery, are now just one tap away, right where your thumb naturally rests. Fewer taps, faster checkouts, shorter lines. The all-new Shopify POS is here.